chapter we are going to do is exponents. We are going to simplify this expression. So here if you see, all the powers are same. So when the powers are same, you can write it as 20 by 27 into 9 by 10 into 2 by 3, the whole to the power of 4. Sorry, 8 to the power of m. So this is not the identities. 8 to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to ab to the power of m. So we can write this. Now we can see what you can cut. This and this will get cut 2. This will get cut 3 times. And this will get cut 9 times. And then that's all. So 2 into 2, 4 by 9, the whole to the power of 4. So you can write this as 4 to the power of 4 by 9 to the power of 4. So that is equal to 4 to the power of 4 is 250. 16 into 16, 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 16, 256. And this is 9 squared into 9 squared, 81 into 81. You will get it as 6561. Again simplifying this expression, here it is minus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. So a to the power of m into a to the power of n is a to the power of m plus n. So minus 3 by 4 to the power of 4 plus 2 divided by, now this is a to the power of m, the whole to the power of a to the power of m, the whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So we will write it as 3 by 4, the whole to the power of 2 into 6. So this will become minus 3 by 4 to the power of 6 divided by 3 by 4 to the power of 12. So we can write this as, now minus 3 by 4 to the power of 6. Since this is even, we can write this as 3 by 4 to the power of 6. The value does not change. Divided by 3 by 4 to the power of 12. Now the bases are same. So you can write this as 3 by 4 to the power of 6 minus 12. Only if the bases are same, you can do this. You can use this identity. So if it was an even number, we cannot write it as 3 by 4. So the minus you will have a negative answer. So 3 by 4 to the power of 6 minus 12. So this is equal to 3 by 4 to the power of minus 6. So it is equal to 4 by 3 to the power of 6. Simplifying this, first we will convert the negative exponent into positive exponent. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, the whole squared. So we can write it as, okay, I'll write it like this, into minus 8 by 3 to the power of 1. So this I can write it as 1 by 4 into 1 by 9 into minus 8 by 3. Now this and this will get cut 2 times. So this will be minus 2 by 27. In this, again we will convert this negative to positive. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 divided by, so I'll put a bracket here, 1 by 12. If you don't put the bracket, that means you have to first divide this. So we will put a bracket, 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 12. Now we can cut it. 4 into 3 and 12, that will get cut. That is equal to 1. Here a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So we can write it as a to the power of m minus n divided by 2 to the power of minus 7. So we will write this as 2 to the power of 5 minus 8 is minus 3 by 2 to the power of minus 7. So this is again 2 to the power of minus 3 minus minus 7 is equal to, this will become plus. So 7 minus 3, 4, 2 to the power of 4. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 4 is 4 into 4, 16. So here again we have to simplify. The powers are same. So you can write this as 13 by 4 divided by 6 by 13, the whole to the power of minus 4. This is equal to 13 by 4 into 13 by 6, the whole to the power of minus 4. So this is equal to, we can't do any simplification here. So we will write this as 13 squared by 2 squared into, this is 2 into 3. 2 into 3, the whole to the power of minus 4. So this is equal to 13 2 into 4, or we can leave it by 13 squared by 24. So this is not a very easy way of doing. So we can simply write this as 24 by 169 to the power of 4. That will be enough. 24 by 169. I have taken the reciprocal to make this negative exponent to positive. So that will be a much easier way of doing. Here again we will convert it into positive exponent. So 3 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5 divided by 4 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. So this is equal to 3 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 4 by 4 to the power of 4. Instead I will write this as 2 squared, the whole to the power of 4. Then only we have to make the bases same. So this is equal to 3 to the power of 5 plus 4 by 2 to the power of 5 plus 4 into 2, 8. So this is equal to 3 to the power of 9 by 2 to the power of 13. Here again we will convert the negative exponent to positive first. So a to the power of 4 into b to the power of 4 into this denominator will come to the numerator. So b to the power of 3 by this will come down. So a to the power of 4 into b to the power of 4 into a cube. So now a to the power of 4 and b to the power of 4, and this will get cut and you are left with b cube by a cube, which you can write it as b by a the whole cube.